These AI roller coaster POV videos are going insanely viral right now. Some accounts are gaining tens of thousands of followers, and their videos are hitting millions of views. And the crazy part? They're all made using AI. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to create these viral roller coaster POV videos using completely free AI tools. Let's get started. First, I've created a master prompt for you. You'll find the link in the description. Just copy the entire prompt. Now open ChatGPT and paste it here. This will generate 10 different viral location ideas for your roller coaster. For example, I'm going with a glacier theme, so I'll select option 2. Now ChatGPT gives us two things: an image prompt, a video prompt. Copy the image prompt first. Now open Flow AI and go to Create Image. Set your aspect ratio and number of outputs, then choose the model Nano Banana Pro. Paste your prompt and hit Generate. Within seconds, your AI-generated roller coaster image will be ready. Now let's turn this into a video. Go to Create Video arrow, select Frame to Video. Upload your generated image as the first frame. Then go back to ChatGPT and copy the video prompt. Paste it here and hit Generate. And just like that, your roller coaster POV video is ready. Take a look at this. It looks insanely realistic, exactly like the viral ones. You can save it from here. And using the same method, you can create unlimited variations like this. Here's another example I made. That's how you can create viral AI roller coaster POV videos using free tools. If this helped you, drop a like and subscribe for more viral AI content ideas. And comment below which AI niche you want me to cover next.